ഇന്നത്തെ മത്സരത്തിൽ നിങ്ങളോടൊപ്പം സ്വര പറയാൻ കളി പറയാൻ മലപ്പുറത്തിന്റെ അവർണ്ണനീയമായ ശബ്ദത്തിനുടമ ഇലൈസിന്റെ വേദിയിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്യുന്നു.
And Jayesh with another maximum, back-to-back maximums in the first over. Jayesh trying for a city, couldn't connect well, finds the feeder. And a single on this occasion from Jayesh. And Janu played straight up in this game. Chance and taken. The keeper Sajjad with another wonderful catch. Spectacular. ആദ്യ ഓവർ പിന്നിടുമ്പോൾ 14 റൺസ് ഒരു വിക്കറ്റ് നഷ്ടത്തിൽ. Fast ball in the slot. Played well. Well gone into the distance. Another maximum from a juicy one to Jayesh. Back-to-back maximum. Another one straight over the commentary box. What a connection! Playing at under people. Well ball to come back to. Another brilliant delivery from Santi. A tricky, slower one from Santi. Third over, Rashid Vengra into Anis. First ball in the slot, couldn't connect well. Back of length delivery, very well executed. Jayesh Vengra trying to hit hard, finds the fielder. Santi well stopped it in the. Very well done around the off stump. Shafaq trying to hit hard, couldn't connect. Very well done. Another cutter delivery. Singh Anamis. 3 ഓവറുകൾ പിന്നിടുമ്പോൾ ഒരു വിക്കറ്റ് നഷ്ടത്തിൽ 37 റൺ സ്കോർ ചെയ്യുന്നു അൽമാസ് വെങ്കുളം. Once again, Jayesh Vengra after a long time hitting another magnificent shot to find another maximum to the scoreboard. Another one brilliant comeback. Another cutter delivery from Sajjad, the keeper. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Another cracking delivery from Sajjad. The slot well connected. That is first maximum from Vengra Express. Anis taking the charge. Another try, couldn't catch. Yes, taken. Revenge wicket from the keeper. Very well called. A dot ball to finish the 4th over. Very good comeback from the skipper. And 50 runs on the board for the loss of 2 wickets into the final over. Anatul Nizamuddin. Fast ball, very well bowled. A full long delivery around the off stump. A full ball, yes. Delivery of the final over. And Jayesh saying to start into the fielder's hand. Very well taken. Oh, catchy delivery from Nizamuddin. Very well powered. A single had taken. Sheikh. Yes, and Khan is a wicket. Another wicket for Nizamuddin. തന്റെ രണ്ടാം വിക്കറ്റും നേടിക്കൊണ്ട് മനോഹരമായ രീതിയിൽ തന്നെ അവസാന ഓവർ എറിഞ്ഞു മാറുമ്പോൾ അൽമാസ് വെങ്കുളം പ്രതീക്ഷിച്ചൊരു ടോട്ടലിൽ എത്താതെ പോകുന്നു. 5 ഓവറിൽ 4 വിക്കറ്റുകൾ നഷ്ടത്തിൽ 56 റൺസ്. First ball, Jenu Janardhanan started with a dot ball. In the slot, well-played fielder there and taken first wicket. Shalu Khan. Nicely driven to the offside. Sensibly a single taken. തുറക്കുന്നതിന് മുമ്പേ ആദ്യ വിക്കറ്റ് നഷ്ടമാകുന്നു. Very well bowled. Another basic delivery from Jenu. Brilliant delivery, the free one. All huge gap between two fielders. Couple of bounces and touches the ropes. It's a boundary from Rashi. Very well done. Another cracking delivery. Bullet one from Jenu Janardhanan and a dot ball to finish the first over. Ball scoreboard 7 runs ഒരു വിക്കറ്റ് നഷ്ടത്തിൽ. Trying for a big shot. Nicely driven through the offside, finds the fielder. And Sajjad trying to break the shackles, but he couldn't. Genius Jenu underneath the ball. Very well taken. രണ്ടാം ഓവറിൽ രണ്ടാം വിക്കറ്റും വീഴുന്നു. Nicely driven through the offside. Misfield. Very well powered. Jayesh Venera with another brilliant delivery once again. Another chance. And taken. Sadiq Shah, the skipper of the team. Here comes Jayesh Venera. Another man at a cushion and very well taken. Return cash for the bowler. Jayesh, the hero in batting department, done a great job in the bowling. A crack of delivery from Jayesh. Slower one from Jayesh. Another dot ball to finish. 3 overs completed. 12 runs on the board for the loss of 5 wickets. അവസാന 2 ഓവറുകളിൽ വിജയലക്ഷ്യം 45 runs. Sakir, taunting Karathod in the front lane bowler. Sakir into the attack. A lawful toss around the off stump, well connected by the left-hander. Gone for a maximum. Nicely driven through the offside, gone past the fielder. A boundary after a maximum, the left-hander. Very good delivery on this occasion from Sakir. 34 more runs needed to win. Very well done. Clever ball in your dot ball into Muhammad. Very well done. Another dot ball. Back to back dot balls. Better. നാലാം ഓവറിലെ അവസാന ബോൾ. Once again, Sakir with another 2 runs വിജയലക്ഷ്യം. ക്ലാസിക് മുതുവിലക്കുണ്ടിനെ വിജയിക്കണമെങ്കിൽ അത്ഭുതങ്ങൾ സംഭവിക്കേണ്ടി വരും. റാഫി അൽമാസ് started with a full toss delivery, played through the leg side, finds the fielder. In the shot, well played, a lofted drive to a maximum. Another take, catch is a call. Very well played by the fielder. 17 runs to win. 2 bowlil 17 runs in the വിജയലക്ഷ്യം. Another shot straight up in the air. Chance and taken, very well taken. Play through the leg side for a total. വളരെ മനോഹരമായ രീതിയിൽ ബോൾ ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ട് പിടിച്ചടക്കുന്നു അൽമാസ് വെങ്കുളം. ടേബിൾ ടോപ്പേഴ്സ് ആയിക്കൊണ്ട് ക്വാളിഫയർ 1 യോട്ടുള്ള യോഗ്യത സ്വന്തമാക്കുന്നു അൽമാസ് വെങ്കുളം.